Here we are at the Moros, or White Rocks. Paddled out this morning. Nothing yet. Had, I don't know what it was, follow in my Roberts lure, all silver, big Roberts lure, must have been 4 feet. Lots of color, wasn't Dorado, wasn't Jack. But anyway, we'll get something else. Let's see, this is the backside of Ixtapa. I'm sorry, Zihuatanejo. You can see some of the development up on that hill. And then starting with Playa Larga and Playa Blanca. And then still Playa Blanca. All the way to the Punta, the point. And Para de Potosi is back in here. Little hazy, you can't see it. Beautiful day, Tuesday, April 9th, I believe. But it is Tuesday. There's some water coming through the little opening between the two large rocks. Pretty good waves come through here sometimes. Could almost surf through here. I'll take the kayak through there someday, huh? Not.